Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in my video this time I will show the result my PowerPoint percentage in English communication course. Okay, here I will explain about my article title, which is online video for self-reliant learning in digital animation. Okay, number one, background video in a free medium in instruction over other media for learning about digital animation. There is lack of understanding of how and why students as video instruction for learning digital animation. The student voice dependent on video, especially for skill mastery, idea and inspiration. The process of how online video were asked for self-directed learning was derived from data analysis. The finding also reflect that students gained content and process gratification by watching video, but did not gain much gratification social talk online video as. Okay, number two, problem analysis. Problem analysis interactivity in multimodal learning environment. The online video learning platform is an interaction and social activity which requires continuous attention from the learners. Talk most activity, the focus on consuming video. User may also participate talk assert content interaction and user-to-user interaction with a social network. Account user can engage in interactive online to create place tag, annotate, link, comment, search, read, comment, and review other user work apps. Okay, number three, limitation of the study. The parents' study was limited to Malaysia digital animation student enrolled in 3 institutions in Klang Valley, Malaysia, and a low number of sample participation in the discussion due to a small number of digital animation program offered by Higher Learning Instruction. An effort was made to ensure the reliability and validity of data coded into the specified times and subtimes. ENG, the vernacular language translation and interpretation were checked and validated a few times to ensure the meaning or codes were aligned with the times. However, there is no claim to the level of accuracy, as there was no formal method applied with regard to the anecdotal evidence. Number four, the objective of study. To recall perspective of media, used for learning to technical perspective are used to explain the use of video media for learning. They use the as and gratification theory and the cognitive theory of multimedia learning as the just to uses and gratification theory for video based learning, property theory. UNG theory was applied in an educational media perspective where learners consciously choose to medium that call safety their learning needs, and they are able to recognize their reason for making media choice while gaining certification in the media use process. Number 2, cognitive theory of multimedia learning. The cognitive theory of multimedia learning process multimedia such as audio and visual element, words and graphic facilitate active learning. This theory is strongly related to information processing model, which how multimedia represent sensory memory, working memory, and long-term memory are interplayed. Number 5, signification of study. This study has contribution to the understanding of online video used for learning and the impact to video technology among learning. It has contribution into our area of understanding how online video was and why online video was used among learners in the digital animation context. The findings showed the video are an essential medium for students in digital animation, where studies are dependent on online video for skill mastery as well as to gain idea and inspiration. 6. Review of literacy. The student seldom express their social gratification gained from online video used during their self-direction learning endeavor. The student were not making full use of the participatory opportunities of online video platform, especially in giving comments to the video and gaining extra knowledge from the video response shared by others. The video learning process focus more on user to content interaction and little on user to user interaction. They still regard the instructor as the authoritative figure in the learning process, resulting in the knowledge and practice and how to be constructively critical toward their own learning. Number 7 and 8. Number 7, analysis and design. The learning process will not be complete without some self-reflection or evaluation of their learning. The students were constantly reflecting on their own learning at every stage. The student carry out a summative evaluation of their creative work and the overall achievement of their learning goal add to the learning process. Number 8, finding. Thematic analysis has identified how digital animation study used online video for self-directed learning. Will the motivation on barriers to using online video benefit from the thematic analysis are explained to the three aspects of gratification obtained to online video site. Okay, the last number 9, conclusion and suggestion. The finding will be important to the educator, researchers, and media specialists for identifying online video learning capabilities and drawback when more self-learning paradigm as how to reserved as a new learning approach. The idea of pedagogical learning are based on learners who are more autonomous and know how to learn. This is enabled to due to the ubiquitousness of emerging technologies as generate content and self-directed in information discovery and in defining the learning path. Okay, Anif. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.